Hi everybody, if you updated your Xcode to Xcode 11, you'll notice that there is no Assistant Editor menu on the top right. So how can we create IBOutlets and IBActions in Xcode 11? Let's see. The first method is clicking on the Adjust Editor button on the top right. Just click on it and select Assistant. By default, this will put your Assistant Editor on the bottom of the screen. To move it on the right hand side, go to the Editor menu on the top. Go to Layout and select Assistant on right. Now you have your user interface on the left and your code on the right, just as before. Here you can easily create your IBOutlets and IBActions. But this method has a problem. In earlier versions of Xcode, we were able to select files manually to open in Assistant Editor, but Xcode 11 removed that feature and there is no manual option for selecting files. And sometimes the file that we desire does not automatically appear in Assistant Editor. So how can we open a file manually in Asistant Editor? Well, that's the second method and that's pretty easy. Just hold down the Option key and left click on the file that you want to open in Asistant Editor. This will directly put your code on the right hand side of the screen and here you can easily connect your IBOutlets and IBActions. That's all, thanks for watching, hope this helped.